So, Doctor Strange and Iron Man went to make a portal, and they got the superheroes back. You found another Doctor Strange. What? Another Iron Man? They got Ant-Man? Wait, Thor and Captain America? What? They have a meeting. They need to get... They're all talking. A meeting, all saying that their info about the one that's going to destroy them all. The Devourer of Worlds, Galactus. He's coming. He's in his base.
I will destroy all of you guys.
Coming down to fight him. Iron Man attacks him. He throws him back. He choked Thor, and throws him.
God.
And then he gets him in a portal, slams him down. And then they all assemble. The Avengers. Iron Man comes in with the headbutt. Attacks him. And then Doctor Strange throws a mystic thing at him. I don't know. And then Iron Man turns small. Gets in a suit, shocks him. And then Thor light bullets him. Gets his hammer, shoots a big lightning ball at him. And then he does the same thing. And then he gets a monster out of a portal. Attacks him. And then another Iron Man does a blast out of his shoes and backflips. And then the Stranges make a portal. He kicks him into the portal, and then he is in prison. Those are lightning bars. No one can get out of it.